Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Edinburgh Solar Festoon lights set of 10 and set of 20. Let's get going. So the Edinburgh 10s sit on 4.9 metres of cable, the Edinburgh 20s sit on 9.8 metres of cable, and both of them have lighting that is spaced 55 centimetres apart. And as well as the solar panel, this light comes with a USB charging capability. In the box, you'll find the instructions, the stake for the solar panel along with the screws and the back fitting, some cable ties, the USB cable, and the 10 filament bulb. From bulb to bulb, there is 55 centimetres of spacing. The USB port sits next to the on button on the solar panel. Now, turning on the light is very simple. It's a matter of connecting the solar panel to the bulbs. All you have to do is match up the ends and plug them in like so. Make sure to screw it tight to ensure that it is weather resistant. It is worth noting that this light is built to withstand UK climates and has a low power saving mode for the winter months if you'd still like to use the light then. It makes it an incredibly low maintenance light, as all you have to do is hang it up, don't worry about connecting it to mains, and then enjoy all year round. Once you've connected the cable, all that's left to do is press the on button and wait for darkness. That is because solar panels have a dusk sensor, so during the day they're going to turn off and charge your light, and then in the evening the light is going to turn itself on as soon as darkness is detected. And this is what the light looks like. Outdoor festoon lighting doesn't get much better than these solar festoon lights. The new design allows for water drainage, so you can hang them up all year round. They have 3 different brightness modes, including a power saving mode. To change the mode, all you have to do is press the on button again. And they feature rugged bulb holders that are usually reserved for commercial grade lighting. The new Edinburgh Solar Festoon lights are incredibly durable and they are absolutely stunning. If you're interested in this product, please take a look at thesolarcentre.co.uk, and if you have any questions regarding this product, please just comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.